Hi, I'm Aaron from Revit, and today we're going to be working on a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek. And today we're going to be replacing the windshield wipers. Alright, so we're going to grab the wiper arm right here, we're going to raise it up high, and then we're going to swing the wiper arm down. There's a little tab right here. We're going to push the tab with our thumb, take the wiper, push down until it unlocks, and then we pull it off. Alright, so we got our new wiper blade right here. So since our wiper arm has the fish hook end, we're going to make sure this is the correct clip, and it appears that it is the correct clip. So we're just going to go ahead and install the new wiper. Alright, so we're going to take our wiper, we're going to slip it through right here. I'm just going to slide it on, clips into place, drop the cover, and set it back down. Alright, so same thing on the other side. Alright, and that's how you do your wipers on your 2014 Subaru Crosstrek. Super simple, nice easy job. You can do it at home, right in your driveway, or right in the parking lot of the parts store. Happy motoring!